Hi, my name is CJ and I'm one of the team members here at Viewrail. As some of you know, you followed along this past March and April with the stay-at-home DIY Express series that we did. And during that series what we did was we highlighted our Express cable railing system and showed how this is a DIY dream, how it's something that can be on the shelf and be shipped to you in next to no time. Oftentimes when you see systems like this, it can be really intimidating because surely something that looks that clean, something that looks that modern, isn't accessible to the general public. And this was something that we really wanted to debunk. It was a myth that we wanted to kind of bring to you guys and show that's not true. So I had some time on my hands, and this was a project that my wife and I had been wanting to tackle for a long time. We live on the river. It's a beautiful view back here, and our old railing system was the original railing system that went in with the deck about 20 years ago. It went right along the back here. There used to be a sitting wall that was behind me, and it obstructed a lot of the view of the river that's behind me. We wanted to see it go, and we wanted to open up the view. We wanted to enjoy the view of the river, which is one of the reasons why we bought this house. We wanted to completely renovate our back deck. We wanted to give it a railing that really supported the view, and we had time on our hands. It's one thing to see the completed projects, and it's one thing to see what other people have that you think that you never will. And it's a whole nother thing when you're willing to put in the time, the energy, the effort, you make the sacrifice, you're willing to invest time into it. And that's what Express is all about. You put the time in, you put the energy in, you're still getting an amazing product that opens up your view. And we couldn't be happier with the view that we have on our back deck through the Viewrail Express cable railing system.